Megan's fine. Oh no, that's fine. Almost got caught in the tripod. So, how much glue do you add? Half cup of glue
I think it's gonna be green.
into a bowl. Add some food coloring to it. Don't really matter. Don't do too much, or else this will happen to you. You'll have colored hands.
That's not happened to me.
I have green hands.
And the dog just attacked the cat.
So, I don't know the next step. And then, I don't know what that is. So, I think it's something to make it sing. Whatever it is, I don't know.
It's JG.
Oh, by the way. Jacob Mills here. Also known as the Coach of Elementary. Bye.
It's JG.
How's my macaroni looking?
I smell something that smells amazing.
It's like huge.
I smell that thing that you had. It smells
Let
good.
me see. I want to see. I want to see macaroni.
You need to put that in my thing.
All right, turn it off and drain it.
What is that? Because it smells really good. It's JG.
That scared the living heck out of me.
No, don't turn Crow's water on, you dork.
It's making that.
No.
Come on, Dawn. Why does yours look so smooth? I just got a bubble. I got bubbles. See? I got
Oh,
bubbles.
that's a big bubble.
I got bubbles in my slime now.
You can make bubble slime.
You can make
I missed
slime,
that,
too.
like half that process.
You can also
I
make.
put about 2.5 spoonfuls of borax.
Into a cup of water, right?
That's slime.
1/2 cup of water with 1/2 cup of glue.
He's recording you.
There you go. That's pig.
Now I think taco.
We could be like
Just give
Tyler.
me a minute.
We could be like Tyler and Kayla.
And then play with it some, then you'll get a perfect thing. You better
You
be
have to knead
perfect
it.
thing.
Except for right here is my mom's.
Yeah, it looks kind of bad. You
Jacob,
see?
if you wouldn't have did that, it would have stretched for a few
Oh no,
minutes.
it's on my shirt, and it didn't stick. I'm happy.
Your shirt is disgusting. Okay, ready?
I just got an amazing bubble.
Okay, go. Don't touch it. Okay, it's not gonna work. Alright, people, hold on. Just smell it.
It smells good.
What is that?
You need to add that in my humidifier, like
I can't.
20 drops of it.
No, she can't do that.
What is
Okay,
it?
This
It's
is my
food
mom's
flavoring.
slime. This is the first one. And then
Isaiah has a giant booger.
Isaiah's picking his nose, people.
You need
Isaiah's has turned out.
to be a booger.
No, his looks
Look
like
at these.
his looks like it's like so awesome.
Look at that.
Look at
That's
it.
what my brothers turned out to be.
My feet and my fingers are wrinkly because I was playing with my mom's
Are
slime.
you videoing, Jacob?
Yeah.
Hey.
And Isaiah's
Worked.
is the best slime.
Oh my god.
Why are all these little things right here in them?
Hi,
You missed the part trying to make a bubble out of slime.
Milk or canned milk?
Okay.
That smells so good.
Isaiah, come get this off me. This is your slime.
I'll get it in a minute, Andrew. And then you can have your slime.
Isaiah.
Well, I'm gonna end the video here. Thanks for watching and bye bye. Hey.
Isaiah, get a slime.